Guys, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. So today, as per the title and as per the viral trend on the YouTube, I am also going to follow someone and do my makeup step by step. And the person whom I'm going to follow is none other than my favorite YouTuber. She is Ankita and she is from Corallista. I mean, her channel name is Corallista, and I'm just behind her from many days. I mean, I just follow her. So let me tell you guys, I'm just going to follow her steps. I don't know how it will turn out because I'm not as good as her, but let me try, and if it doesn't come out that good, then please don't blame me because I'm just trying, guys. So yeah, let's get started without wasting any more time. Products which she used, if I have that, I will use that. If I obviously don't have it, I have to substitute it with the similar kind of products. So can we start? I'm just feeling nervous, guys. The primer what she have used is MAC Prep and Prime primer. So similar primer I found in my vanity is this MAC one. I have this in the sample size, so I'll just apply it. So after primer, she has used Morphe palette, Morphe concealer palette for just concealing her under eyes and also on the face. But I have this Krylon palette, okay, Krylon kind of concealer palette. So I will use this palette. I will mix and match few shades and I'll apply it under my eyes and also to cover up few dots on my face. First, she used this kind of brush to apply the concealer under her eyes. So I'll do the same. Next, she is blending this all things with a beauty blender. So I'm just going to do the same. I'm just going to blend everything with this. She has taken Morphe eyeshadow palette. I have this eyeshadow palette. This is 35F. First shade I will use this, which is similar to her. I will take this kind of brush and I'll just apply that shade all over my eyelid because she has done the same thing to create a good base. I will take this shade now and apply it on my outer corner as she has done that. Same shade, she is also defining her lower lash line. She is not going all the way inside, just the half portion. So let's try to do the same. This is the shade I feel is similar to what she has used on her lid area. She has used this gorgeous pack highlighter in the shade 08. So I also have it luckily in the same shade. She is going back again and concealing her under eyes a bit. So I will do that too. I'm sorry, I'm not getting the products immediately, so I may look like I'm searching for the things, but again she is blending it with the sponge, so I'm doing that. He has used Estee Lauder mascara, but I don't have it, so I'm using this sample size of Benefit They Are Real mascara. Now she is taking this Master Strobing cream. She is using Pore Freshener Loose Powder by Benefit. I have this Krylon one, so I will use that loose powder to set the base and under eyes, so that I'll have the similar kind of effect because of loose powder. Now at this step she has used Morphe eyelashes. I don't have Morphe eyelashes whatsoever, so I will try and use my normal eyelashes. I have this ones, so these are just normal eyelashes guys, so I will use this and I'll come back. After lashes she is using Benefits Ka Brow. I don't have that, so I will use this L'Oreal Brow Artist Kit. Thing she has used is this palette to contour her face, just to contour lightly. Now next she has used Morphe blush palette to apply blush, but I don't have that. I have this NYX palette and I'm going to take this particular peachy kind of orangey blush and I'm just going to apply it very lightly because her shade is too light. So after blush she is taking this PAC highlighter which she used earlier. Last thing, lipstick. What she have used is from Milani. I don't have that particular shade, but I have similar kind of shade from Wet n Wild, which I think is quite similar, so I'm going to use this today. After applying this shade, I feel that this is more red tone. She has a kind of maroon tone going on, so I have this MAC Viva Glam 1, so which I'll just apply on top of this to just cool down the red. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If so, please let me know in the comment section and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Till that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.